Irashaimase. Welcome. Welcome back to Nappy Cat. We're so glad that you can join us today. Somebody has cute little wings. Such cute little wings. In today's video, we're going to talk about two kitties. One was named Saki and one was named Hiro. And they are Distillery kitties for the Apocalypse Breweries. Hiro is an all-black kitty with yellow eyes, and Saki is a mostly white tuxedo kitty that looks a lot like a kitty that I had in childhood with my family, yes, named Oreo. And Hiro also reminds me of a kitty from an earlier point in my childhood called Blackie. Yes. They are both rescues from the Kentucky Humane Society. That really cool place has a program that's called the Working Cat Program that these two are a part of. Yes, and they make the lives of everybody at the Apocalypse Brewery so much happier. Yeah! That place had been having trouble with having mice around, and ever since those two came, the mice stay at bay. They stay away. Yes, it's because they can smell the kitty around, and the kitties, I should say, and they stay away. Yes, just the presence of one of these little darlings tends to keep mice away. Yes, they know better. They know better. Yes, they know better than invading that space. Yes, they do. These two ninjas will take care of business if there's any renegade mice around. They're also known for being very friendly. They even sleep in the owner. Her name is Leah Dennis. They like to sleep in her purse. And the co-owner, named Bill Caroth, he also pets them and loves them too. Both of them are on Instagram. Yes, there's kitty celebrities. They're both named after Hiroshima and Nagasaki from World War II. Yes, each of them have their own bee-bye, and they have a feral cat shelter for when it's coldy outside. Well, they also love sitting on the bags of grain. Yes, in the brewery, as many kitties do. Yeah! And they're a delight for everyone. They came there in 2015, and I do believe that they're still there. Yes, I don't know for sure, but I'm fairly sure that they're there. Yes, and they're just bringing all the goodness to everyone's life. I love when you see a rescue kitty like that, or rescue kitties like these, be able to be turned around in such a wonderful way and have a wonderful life. That contrasts a lot to the life that they started with. And my heart goes out to all of you who take care of strays and who help make sure that they have good places to live. Thank you so much for watching our video today. If you like the contents of our videos, don't forget to take those paws and paw that like button. You can paw the subscription button, and you can paw the notification bells. Make sure to press all. paw all. So when you do paw the notification bell, so that you can see all Love and Nephew Cats videos. It will notify you when they're there. Yes. Well, thank you all so very much. And we look forward to seeing you in the